Machu Picchu. Location: Cusco, Peru. Best time to visit: May to October when the weather is dry. A preserved ancient Incan citadel nestled in the Andes Mountains of Peru, Machu Picchu was hidden from the world until its rediscovery in 1911. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it has become an iconic symbol of Peru's cultural heritage, captivating visitors with its enigmatic ruins, stunning mountain backdrop, and a profound connection to the ancient Andean civilization. Historical significance: an ancient Inca site with impressive engineering and architecture that has stood the test of time.